Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw after international investor payouts with OFX, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your OFX account using your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Transfers tab in the main menu. Click on Transfers to see your recent transactions and options. Next, find the option for Withdraw Funds or similar wording. Select the account from which you would like to withdraw the funds. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw in the designated field. Review any fees associated with the withdrawal to ensure you're informed. Choose your preferred withdrawal method from the available options. If you're withdrawing to a bank account, enter the necessary bank details. Double-check all the entered information to avoid any errors. Once everything looks correct, click on Confirm or Submit to initiate the withdrawal. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the withdrawal has been successfully submitted. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or confirmation regarding your withdrawal status. Allow a few business days for the withdrawal process to complete. If you encounter any issues, visit the Help Center or contact customer support for assistance. Monitor your bank account to ensure the funds arrive as expected. Congratulations, you have successfully initiated a withdrawal after international investor payouts with OFX. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.